Guys, thank you for stopping by again. Today in this video, I'm showing you guys a little pickup that I made, this women's mousse de Cartier with the red Cartier color. Amazing watch, hand wind, and I wound it up and it's keeping time, as you can see here. It is just a little amazing watch that just needs some loving. This watch was not a safe queen. This watch was well worn by a lucky lady, and she wore it till I guess she just got tired of it and put it on a shop somewhere for sale, where I was lucky enough to pick it up at a great price, guys. And this watch, we're just gonna take the stubborn leather band off. I love it when they've been there for a while and you just can't take the leather straps off. Sometimes I even have to cut the pins because they're basically welded into the box. Here we're going to use some normal Windex. Windex, as I've told you guys in the past, is a fabulous cleaner. Take as much grind, as much grease as you can off. Now, with this watch, I want to hand polish it. I don't want to take it to the machine because most of the gold, it's worn off already. So I'm going to do a lot of elbow grease on this watch. We're going to take it apart. As you know, with Cartier, you're going to have the 4 screws on the sides. These screws were very well embedded in the watch. It took me a while to take them off. The grease, the sweat, the grime that was inside of these screws was no joke, guys. But we worked it a little bit and we finally got them off, as you can see here. So once we took the screws off, now it was time to pry it open. But before, I wanted to take all that grime off because I wanted to keep this movement as clean as I could. Because believe it or not, guys, this watch was giving me like plus 35, plus 40 seconds, but it was giving me a great amplitude, so there was no need to service this watch. So I wanted to open it very carefully just to make sure that none of the grime that was on the outside would get on the inside. And once we got it open, look at that beautiful red dial. It has a lot of spider webbing because this watch is from the 80s, and as you can see, it had a screw there. And that screw had fallen from the main bridge on the back, but we were just gonna get it all together and ready to go. Like I said, this watch needed no service whatsoever, just a lot of cleaning. Now, you guys know I love this magic eraser, and that's what I'm using to take all of this debris out. Magic eraser, believe it or not, is going to be lighter than the buffing wheel on this watch. So we went crazy with the magic eraser, took everything out. Those scratches on the back, those scratches are wear and tear. Now I could easily send this watch to get re-golden or give it a gold bath, and it'll make it nice and shiny, and it won't cost that much, believe it or not. To give a good watch a gold bath will cost you a good $100. So it's well worth the expense, but I want to keep it original. This watch has been around. As you can see between the lugs, all of these Cartiers are going to have the stamp of 20 microns, which was the original gold stamp on the sides of these watches. So that helps you find out if it's original. The buckle is original for this watch, but unfortunately the buckle, there was no saving on this buckle. I was measuring right here and see if I could put it on the new strap, but no luck. It's a little bit too wider. As you can see on the top left hand corner, I have polywash, so I used a lot of polywash on here, and it made the difference, guys. And we just had to assemble the watch back. So once we got everything assembled, here you go. It is a very nice bring back to the world watch. You know, it's not perfect. You have a lot of scars of being a worn watch through the years, but it is nice, it's clean, it has a new strap, and it's just an incredible watch, guys. This watch is just an amazing piece. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're going to do a lot of these restorations on these old watches that you guys know that this is the foundation of my channel. These old watches, just bring them back to life, like this Cartier. Look at the spider webbing through a nice clean crystal. We didn't even have to change the crystal, guys. And if you like this watch and any other watch on my channel, guys, please go to my Instagram. My Instagram, I'm going to leave it right up here. This is where I put every watch that I have for sale. I'm not only doing watches, I'm doing jewelry in general. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And again, thank you so much.